It's a new dawn, it's a new day. Well, I haven't been to the gym for the past couple of days. I had a little bit of alcohol last night, which, you know, isn't part of the diet plan. But, fuck it. Either way, we're going to the gym later on. But I thought I'd start off now. Yeah, I've literally just woke up and cracked on some Jeremy Kyle, and I've just got to show you guys something because this is fucking quality. Alright, so, you know, top quality content. So, I'm just thinking, listen to this bloke, right, listen to this. Where have you heard this before? Oh, fuck. Oh. Let's watch this again. Right, who's this guy, mind you of?
She's pregnant with your baby.
Yeah, I know.
Now, where have you heard that from? Just where have you heard it from?
Yeah, I know. 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 Yeah, I know.
No, you don't know. It's a surprise.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. That's what our country is representing. So, yeah, I'm just going to go get myself sorted. Clean the absolute stench hole that is my bedroom, and I'll check back in later. Meant to go to the gym tonight. Cheers, mate.
I need a haircut.
We instantly both touch on it. It's
You're on YouTube, sir.
loads of play it, yeah. Talk again in the morning. Yeah, well, the gym plan didn't really work out too well. I haven't been to the gym since Thursday. It's now Sunday. But I guess it's alright because I went Monday to Thursday. 3 days off ain't too bad. It's just that fucking place. Pub. Spoons. Fuck's sake. Oh, well, either way. Basically, I've made a decision. Instead of just doing daily videos, I'm just going to, like, do videos whenever, basically, every 2 or 3 days, because I can't be asked to edit videos all the time, all for just 6 views a day. But no, yeah, last night was good. I've done a lot of Jaeger bombs, and the Jaeger bombs were probably the reason why I threw up this morning. Yeah, it's not good, but either way, I'm all recovered now. I've got work tomorrow, so that'll be fun. And then, yeah, basically, this is this video done. And I'll just see what happens next time, really. I'll have a new video up in the next couple of days. Yeah. Peace out, my N-words.